Hi guys, welcome to TechTube channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add or how to stream Crunchyroll in Discord. So in this case, you have to go to Crunchyroll first. This one. Then click on the first link. After that, you can see here 14-day free trial. Okay, we will use this trial. Click on the first option. Then go to Add to Crunchy list. Then you have to create an account if you don't have any, like I don't have an account yet, so I'm creating an account. Now click create account. You can save this password, use the username, okay, username cannot be like this, randomize. Your username is this, continue. Okay, now send verification link, check your email address. Here's your Crunchyroll. Confirm email address, click on this, and your email address is confirmed. Okay, now if you want to stream this, go to Discord, choose your channel, choose the voice channel, choose one voice channel just. Okay, then you can see here stream option, stream, and then it will suggest for this Crunchyroll. Just click and on the episode or anything, any of two, and then click on share. You are streaming Crunchyroll. So guys, this is how you can stream Crunchyroll on Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.